tell them you got a new boat. Show me your new boat.
I got a new boat.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Spirit of Outdoors. Another mail unboxing. This is from Dwayne T64. He told me that he was sending me a package and would not tell me what was in it, so I don't know.
Especially these bigger fish. Me, I like.
And y'all see how I watch my YouTube videos? I got Richard Jean over here. We've been. Let me know what you think about it. God bless. Oh Lord. Don't know what.
That one's bigger than the one I have on, I believe. What was the
Okay. Okay, we have got some type of a seasoning.
These little Yamagata number 6 hooks are really sharp. They're
Some type of seasoning.
I don't know. That's a pretty good size garner. That other one was probably about the same size.
That's what she gave you.
And a number 6.
Brody got a new holster too the other day.
They're good for this.
Count Dog, Papa Scott's original recipe. Have y'all seen this? Let me get up close where y'all can.
I'll probably let this fish run for about 30 seconds.
So,
Now I'm gonna hit hook.
there ain't but one way I know to tell if I like a seasoning or
That's a common
not.
mistake that most anglers use. I do. What am I saying? They use way too big of a hook for these fish.
A lot like Tony Satchery's.
See, come up there and got him a gulp of
Good, though.
Now he's ready to
Oh.
go back to war.
Got a little spice to it, which I like.
About that long would be
That.
Says it is certified Cajun.
What's in that?
That'll make you South Louisiana boys proud.
when it attracts their attention.
And
I
girls.
want that bait to spin.
I know I got several girls from down that way that watch on a regular basis.
And anywhere from 12
So anyway, thank you, Dwayne.
Just 20 inches at
Oh.
the most is just right. When you see garden surfacing like that, that's the perfect depth.
Well, thank you, Dwayne.
His bill is
Ryan Black also sent Brody a leather cowboy holster. It's in the house. I'd show it. I ain't got it out here with me.
It's long.
And y'all, Mr. Don Lanier sent me. Brody has got piles of fish bait. He's got all under there.
But you just grab him by the bait.
Gallon Ziploc bags of plastic baits of all sorts to bass fish with, crappie jigs. There's a whole box of trays.
You can let him go.
But Brody's tuned in to Richard Jean, the fishing machine over here. You like to watch old Richard Jean? Y'all see why I like long videos. I put them on and just let them play while I'm over here making pottery. The mail showed up with this, so I want to get this out and open it. So anyway, we're going to try that out. And Brody, my mama and daddy bought him a brand new bow and arrow. Came with a target, and we've been out there learning how to shoot, ain't we?
I'm not scared of him. Whoa. I'm gonna
And
turn
Richard's over here going woo, ain't he?
right here.
All right.
Strike King.
Tell him, say, thank y'all for watching Spirit of the Outdoors.
Thank you watching for Spirit Outdoors.
Tell them the best way to do things.
It's the way you like to do it.
We'll see y'all next time.